Hi guys, I'm at the duck park today. It's majestic, it's beautiful, and I'm going to give you the whole view. Let's have a look. First word which comes to my mind is exquisite. I mean, seriously. Can it be more beautiful? It is just so beautiful. Look at this. If you go further up, there's a golf club, which is a treat to golf lovers. Because New Zealand loves children so much, the garden also has a small playground for kids. There's always a place for kids in every area of New Zealand. Look at the ducks battling in the lake. This is the best part of the garden. A lake which is going to the middle of the garden. So beautiful, so soothing, so peaceful. It's a small garden, yet extremely beautiful. So guys, that's pretty much all about this garden. Have a great day. Bye bye.